Good morning and welcome to my closet. My name is Heidi Gammill if you haven't met me yet. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. You can find this on Amazon. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I love to come in here to my wardrobe and talk about it just a little bit every week. Now, just the other day, if you are subscribed to my channel, then you saw my Walking in Circles episode where I talked about motivation and how this dress is serving to be a motivation for me. So if I was unclear, what I mean by that, excuse me, is that this is one of my go-to dresses. It's sophisticated, it's easy, it's cute. I can dress it up or down, but when I went to go put it on, it was a little tight. And hence, therefore, it is my motivation to work a little harder on me. So do you have a source of motivation, and are you using it to your advantage? That's the question. So I'm wearing it again. Not only does it remind me to cinch it in, but it also reminds me to make good choices all day long because I love this dress. So this past weekend we played a newlywed game, and one of the questions was asking of my husband, how many shoes does your wife have? Of course, I had to answer the question as well. It was very easy for me. I have this tower of shoes right here. So I was like 2, 4, 6, 8 plus flip-flops and tennis shoes. My answer was 11. His answer was 12. So we did get it right. It was supposed to be within 5. So we both won. It was a win-win. I tell you that to say that even though I have 12 pairs of shoes, I still have not worn several of them recently. And it's just kind of a little check. How many shoes do you have? Could your husband tell you how many you have? And do you even know? No judgment. Shoes is subjective. It has to do with your lifestyle and what different areas in your life need different pairs of shoes for sure. However, are you wearing them? Are you utilizing them? And are you able to take really good care of them so that when you go to put them on, they are in good condition? That is the question for you today. It's one small way that you can nest pretty. We are going into the spring season, which means I have 2 pairs of boots that I'm going to clean thoroughly, my rain boots, so that they are good. The other pair of leather shoes I'm going to clean and condition so that as they sit through the hot months of Florida, waiting for their next turn, they will be conditioned in a good position to endure. So this is Heidi with just 2 little tips. If you have a source of inspiration like this dress, then use it to inspire you, to motivate you, to continue to take really good care of yourself. And how many shoes do you have? And have you worn them? And are you taking really good care of them? So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. If you are watching me on YouTube, subscribe and hit the button with the bell, because that way when I come on live, you will get notified and you will get little tips every week to help you to nest pretty. So if you haven't got the book yet, grab it. And if you want help nest prettying your life, then go to HeidiGammill.com. I am available to walk you through the process if you like. Have a great day. Bye.